Heating and cooling systems are already a source of 10% of global energy consumption. With climate change, we're experiencing more extreme weather events, which in turn require more energy for heating and cooling in our homes and offices worldwide. There are approximately 2 billion air conditioning units already in operation, and that's expected to triple by 2050. Imagine there was a way to eliminate a significant proportion of the energy wastage from these very wasteful systems. Welcome to Verv's AI-driven climate solution, where sustainability meets AI to revolutionise heating and cooling systems.
Hello, my name's Andrew Wordsworth, the Managing Partner of Sustainable Ventures. We're the UK's leading developer of sustainable startups, which gather at our Sustainable Workspace here in County Hall. We're a customer of Verv and have seen at first hand the potential of Verv's solution. We saved £6,000 on just one appliance at this workspace and immediately installed Verv on all our air conditioning units. When our Manchester workspace opens later this year, we will do it all over again. With the world realising the waste from heating and cooling systems, we believe Verv is on the cusp of a very exciting period of growth.
Hi, my name is Peter Davies and I'm the founder of Verv. I first realised the scale of this global energy wastage problem while I was working out in Dubai back in 2018. I was tasked with helping consumers save energy from their home appliances, and I soon noticed that one appliance was completely dwarfing all the consumption of all the other appliances I was tracking. That appliance was the air conditioning unit. We have created an award-winning AI-driven solution. We collect the data with something we call the Smart Isolator, and we process the data with our patented eGenius technology, which uses deep learning cutting-edge algorithms with high-speed data sampling that detects the anomalies in how the air conditioning unit or heat pump is performing. The outcomes are savings in not only money, but carbon. And our installations have demonstrated energy savings of over £1,000 per unit, which gives a payback period of less than 6 months.
I'm Dr. Luke Miller, Senior Machine Learning Engineer. We have a unique technology that enables us to gather and analyse high-resolution electrical energy data. Utilising machine learning algorithms, we are able to identify or predict faults as soon as they arise, thereby extending the product lifecycle.
This allows us to maximise the efficiency in heating and cooling systems and predict failures before they arise, thereby providing a path to equipment life extension. In addition, our cloud-based platform flags irregular usage patterns, delivers real-time energy monitoring and reporting, all via an intuitive interface. The novelty of our award-winning technology is backed by 13 global patents from know-how developed over a decade working in this field. So what do our customers think about our product?
I am Martin Fahy, Head of Sustainability at Mitsubishi Electric and a Verv customer. Verv demonstrated a 32% energy saving through their Smart AI Isolator on one of our systems operating in our HQ building. Fitting a building with these isolators could make everyone's journey to net zero a lot simpler and faster.
My name is James Dearsley, the newly appointed CEO for EMEA. I've spent the last decade as a spokesperson for technology within the global real estate industry. I've seen firsthand that sustainability challenges are at the forefront of the minds of leaders in the real estate sector, and testimonials like those from Martin and Andrew earlier are the reason I decided to join Verv on its mission and launch this venture into the next stage of growth. Verv has an incredible team of diverse and driven individuals, some of them you've already heard from, and we've already proven that the technology is valuable. The ability to drive multiple revenue streams was a huge attraction of mine, and we're seeing revenue from hardware sales, recurring subscription revenues, and the licensing and sale of intellectual property. Last year alone, Verv grossed over $1 million from licensing and sale of IP to a large global technology business.
James joins us as we look to expand into the US market through the help of the exclusive LA Cleantech Accelerator, where only 3 companies have been accepted globally. With your help, our ambition is to scale and deploy these units globally, because this is a truly global challenge that sits with all of us to try and combat.
Verv's mission is clear. We're here to eliminate the 4% of global energy consumption currently wasted on inefficient heating and cooling systems.
So join us on our journey towards a sustainable future, because investing in Verv is more than just a financial decision. It's a commitment to a sustainable future.